All right, folks, this is a Challenger RT. This is a 2015. I'll do a cabin air filter. You think it's behind the glove box like all the other cars? Nope. In this car, it's underneath the hood. On the right side, passenger side, right on the cowl. Okay, right up here. This hidden panel right there is where it is. So we're gonna go and we're gonna remove this panel. Just pull these clips back a little bit. 1, 2. Take this panel up out of the way. Okay, your filter is right in there. See it? It sits right in there. So over here with this clip, just got to pick it up and just pop it out. Okay, it's not really clipped there. I'll show you what it looks like. You look up close, you see it, look a little open slot over here. And that just pops out. So same thing with this side, just gonna pop it up. So of course, that don't give you much room to open it up. So you're gonna use 2 hands. You're gonna bend this up a little bit with the cowl and bend this piece up out of the way to remove your filter. Now if you look at your filter, you see there's an arrow there. Okay, that's telling you that that is towards the rear of the car. So it looks like a factory original one because it has the Chrysler one. So that's the airflow going that way. Okay, it's the clean air from here going in towards the cabinet. So this is an STP filter from AutoZone, CAF 1898P. If you notice, it has an arrow also, airflow. Okay, it's pointing down, so that means it's going to go this way, okay, towards the cabin. So since it sits sideways, I went and I put a little mark up here to remind you of which way it goes. Okay, so the arrow is going from right to left, the arrow right to left. Okay, so like I said, the hardest part is just to get in here, to get that filter out, because it just sits in a little slot there. Okay, so there's a little slot there and a little slot there. Here a slot, there a slot. All right, let's see. Set you up over here. Oops. Put you right on top of the Hemi here. And see if you can see something. I don't know if you can see anything in there. All right. Let's do it, people. Arrow going in. Let's see here. This little piece here, probably fold up. That comes out. Pull this little bugger out. There you go. Oh yeah, it's pretty dirty. Look at that. Got little dust mites in there. There's more dust mites in there. Yeah, it's been around for a while. Look at that. Okay? Pretty dirty. Put that off to the side. Remember the arrow. Remember the flow. Look down there, make sure there's no debris. I'm gonna sit this right into that little slot. That's where it's gonna sit. Okay. Hang on a second. Careful, don't drop it. It's gotta go in on like a little bit of a slight angle to get into that groove. Okay, once it's in that groove, it'll sit very neatly, nice in there. Let's bring you over. All right, let me take it off the tripod. See, once it sits in there, nice and pretty. Now I'm going to bring the panel down. Snap, 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 snap. There you go. Okay, and now get my cover that I put over here. Right, those 2 little tabbies there, one there, one there, they're gonna line up where they're supposed to line up with the tabbies there. Okay, once it's lined up, then it's gonna go snap, snap. There you go. There's your cabin filter change. All right, it's not in the glove box. It's pretty simple out here. Gotta love that. Thank you, Dodge. Look at this. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that. You can see? A little debris in there. Open wide. Yeah, that's why you got to change the filters, people. All right. That's it. Over and out. Thanks for watching. Ciao.